Quantity of rice used in this year for the children is 21,482. Quantity of rice used in the last year for the children is 16,986. We have to do the subtraction here. Write down the minus sign. 2 minus 6, it is not possible because 6 is a greater number. Is it right? So take borrow from the tens place. In the tens place 8 is there. So this 8 becomes 7. This 2 becomes 12. How? We take borrow 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 6, 6. Here 7 is there. 7 minus 6, it is not possible. So borrow from the hundreds place. This 4 becomes 3. Take borrow 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 minus 8, 9. This 3 minus 9, it is not possible. 3 minus 9, it is not possible. So take borrow from 1000 place. This 1 becomes 0. This 3 becomes 13. See children, 13 minus 3, 4. 13 minus 3, 13 minus 9, 4. And then 0 minus 6, it is not possible because 6 is a greater number. Take borrow from the 10,000 place. This 2 becomes 1. This 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6, 4. And then 1 minus 1, 0. Therefore, the last answer is, the final answer is, remaining quantity of rice is 4,496 kg. 4,496 kg. Okay children. Next one is, I will explain once again. 12 minus 6, 6. Here 7 is there, it is not possible. Take borrow from the hundreds place, it becomes 17. 17 minus 8, 9. And this 3, 4 becomes 3. 13. We take borrow from the 1000 place, so the 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 9, 4. This 0, 1 becomes 0. Take borrow from the 10,000 place. This 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Again 1 minus 1, 0. The final answer is 4,496 kg. Next sum is, the workers in a tea factory have to fill 48,342 packets of tea powder in a day. In a day, the workers in the tea factory, they will they fill the packets. How many packets? 48,342 packets of tea powder. Okay, children. In a day, they have filled 33,675 packets before their lunch time. Find the remaining packets to be filled. See, once again I will write the sum given question. The workers of the tea factory have to fill 48,342 packets of the tea powder in a day. Per day they fill 48,342, whereas 33,675 packets they will fill it before their lunch time. Find the remaining packets of they filled. Next, number of solution, number of packets, tea powder packets, number of tea powder packets filled in one day, filled in a day, 48,342. Next, before their lunch time, they fill some packets. Number of packets filled before their lunch time. Answer 675. So we have to find the remaining packets. Therefore, remaining packets is 2 minus 5. It is not possible because 5 is greater number. So take borrow from the tens place. This 4 becomes 3. This 2 becomes 12. How? Means take borrow from tens place. This 10 plus 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5, 7. And then this 4 becomes 3. No? 3 minus 7, it is also not possible. Take borrow from hundreds place. This 3 becomes 2. This 3 becomes 13. In the tens place, 3 becomes 13. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minus 7, 6. Here 2 is there. 2 minus 6 also not possible. So take borrow from this 8. This 8 becomes 7. This 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 6, 6. This 7 minus 3, 4. Again 4 minus 3, 1. The remaining packets are 14,667. Next, exercise number 3.1. Find the difference of the following. In that one, first one, 59,842 minus 34,532. Write down 59,842 minus 34,532. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. 8 minus 5, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. 5 minus 3, 2. Therefore, the answer is 25,310. Once again, 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. 8 minus 5, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. 5 minus 3, 2. The final answer is 25,310. Next, second sum. 86,291 minus 64,130. Do the subtraction here. Write on the column, write on the lines using your pencil. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 9 minus 3, 6. 2 minus 1, 1. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. 1 minus 0, 1. 9 minus 3, 6. 2 minus 1, 1. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. The final answer is 22,161. 22,161. The third sum in your exercise is 41,297 minus 16,025. 16,025. 7 minus 5, 2. 9 minus 2, 7. 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus 0, 2. 1 minus 6, it is not possible because 6 is greater number. So 1 it is smaller number, not possible to subtract. Take borrow from the 10,000 place. This 4 becomes 3. This 1 becomes 11. Means take borrow. When we take borrow, the borrow is 10. 10 plus 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 6. Answer is 5. Okay children, 11 minus 6, 5. Here 4 becomes what? 3. 3 minus 1, 2. The final answer is 25,272. 7 minus 5, 2. 9 minus 2, 7. 2 minus 0, 2. 1 minus 6, it is not possible. Take borrow from 10,000 plus. This 4 becomes 3. This 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 6, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. Next, other two sums are fourth one, 25,768 minus 4,304. So first write down 25,768 minus, see, observe this sum, 4,304. 4 is in the place of 1,000. Write down in the 1,000 place, below the 1,000 place. Here 5 is in the 1,000 place. Write down 4 in the below 5 because it is in the 1,000 place. 4,304. Do the subtraction. 8 minus 4, 4. 6 minus 0, 6. 6 minus 0, 6. 7 minus 3, 4. 5 minus 4, 1, 2 as it is. Okay, 8 minus 4, 4. 6 minus 0, 6. 7 minus 3, 4. 5 minus 4, 1, 2 as it is. The final answer is 21,464. Next sum is 17,094 minus 3,043. 3,043. 17,094 minus. So write the 3,000 in the 1,000 place, below the 1,000 place. Here 7 is in the 1,000 place. Below you have to write the 3,043. 4. Do the subtraction. 4 minus 3, 1. 9 minus 4, 5. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 3, 4. 1 as it is. 4 minus 3, 1. 9 minus 4, 5. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 3, 4. 1 as it is. The final answer is 14,051. Second main, find the difference of the following. In that one, first question is 42,695 minus 20,746. So this is the table. So borrowing, minus, subtrahend and the difference. Write the correct these numbers in the correct places. Here 10,000. See units, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000 places. Write the minus 42,695. Write down here minus 42,695. See children, 5 is in the unit place, 9 is in tens place, 6 is in 100 place, 2 is in 1,000 place and 4 is in 10,000 place. Minus, subtract, write down properly in the correct places 20,746. Okay, so do the subtraction. So here 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6, it is not possible because 6 is a greater number. So take borrow from the 1,000 place. 1,000 place, 9 is there. This 9 becomes 8. This 9 becomes 8. And then this 5 becomes 15. See, borrow from tens place. This 9 becomes 8. This 5 becomes 15. How? When we take borrow, add 10 to the the remaining given number or remaining number. 15 minus 6, what is the answer? 9. Okay, 8 minus 4, 4. Here 6 minus 7 is there. Here also not possible for subtraction because 7 is a greater number. Take borrow from the 1000 place. In the 1000 place 2 is there. This 2 becomes 1. 2 becomes 1. This take borrow 10 to this number. This 6 becomes 16. Okay children? 6 becomes 16. So 16 minus 7 is 16 minus 7 also 9. And then this 1 minus 0 becomes 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. Once again I will explain. 5 minus 6 it is not possible. Take borrow from 10's place. This 9 becomes 8. This 5 becomes 15. Here borrow, when we take borrowing 10 we have to add 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 minus 6, 9. 15 minus 6, 9. Here 8 is there. 8 minus 4, 4. Here 6 is there. 6 minus 7 it is not possible. So take borrow from 1000 place. This 6 becomes 16. This 2 becomes 1. 16 minus 7, 9. 1 minus 0, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. Therefore, answer 21,949. Okay children, next second sum. 50,625 minus 36,178. Write down the number in the proper places. Monument is 50,625. 50,625. Below we have to write subtrahend, that is 36,179, 78. 36,178. 5 minus 8 not possible because 8 is a bigger number. So take borrow from the nearest place, that is 10's place. This 2 becomes 1. This 2 becomes 1. This 5 becomes 15. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 minus 8, 7. 15 minus 8, 7. This 1 minus 7 it is not possible because 7 is a greater number. Take borrow from the 100 place. In the 100 place 6 is there. Take borrow to 10's place. So 10's place 1 is there. Take borrow to 10's place. This 6 becomes 5. This 1 becomes what? 11. How? We take borrow 10. During the borrowing we take 10. Add 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 7. Answer is children 6. Here 5 minus 1 is 4. This 11 minus 7 is 4. 11 minus 7, 4. 5 minus 1, 4. Here in the 1000 place 0 is there. 0 minus 6 it is not possible. So take borrow from 10,000 place. This 5 becomes 4. Here the 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. Once again, 5 minus 8 it is not possible. Take borrow from 10's place. This 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 8, 7. This 1. Take borrow from 100's place. This 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 7, 4. This 6 becomes 5. 5 minus 1, 4. 0 minus 6 it is not possible. Take borrow from 10,000 place. This 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. Therefore, answer is, final answer is equal to 14,447. Next sum is 40,000 minus 16,543. 40,000 minus 16,543. See children, in unit, tens, hundreds and thousand place 0 is there. Observe the sum. See, in in the 4 places we have 0 here. So in the unit place 0 is there, tens place also, 100 place also, 1000 place also. Whereas in 10,000 place 4 is there. So we have to take borrow to all the places from this 10,000 place. Is it right? So we take borrow here, this number becomes 10, and we take again here 10, again here 10, here also this becomes 10. Okay children, we take borrow here, remaining one becomes 9. Why? Because here 10 is there, we take 10 to unit place, borrow to unit place, this 10 becomes 9. This 10 becomes what? 9. Again here also we take borrow to the second place. So this also becomes 9. This also, that 10 becomes 9. Because we take borrow to the other places. This 4 becomes 3. This 4 becomes 3. Then we have to finally subtract from minus to subtract. Here 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Again, once again, 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, children, the answer is 23,457. Next sum is fourth one. Fourth sum is 25,307 minus 6,419. See, write down borrow in the left place, left column of the table, minus, subtracting, difference. Write down the places, 10,000 place, 1,000, 100 place, tens and units. See, write down minus 25,307, 25,307. Here 1,000 is there, 6,419. Write 6 in the 1,000 place, minus. Correct place you have to write here. Now in the 1,000 place 6 is there, 6,419. Okay children? 6,419. Do the subtraction. 7 minus 9. Observe the sum. 7 minus 9, it is not possible because 9 is a greater number. So take borrow from the tens place. Tens place also 0. What we have to do? Take borrow from this 100 place. This 3 becomes 2. Here the 0 becomes 10. Okay children, this 3 becomes 2, this 0 becomes what? 10. Again we have to take borrow to this number, this unit place. What happened? This 7 becomes 17, this 10 becomes what? 9. Is it right? This 10 becomes 9. Understand? So 17 minus 9. What is the answer? 6. 17 minus 8, 17 minus 9, 8, 17 minus 9, 8, this 9 minus 1, 8. This 2 minus 4, it is not possible. Take borrow from the nearest place. This 5 becomes 4. This 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 12 minus 4, 8. This 4 minus 6, it is not possible. Take borrow from nearest place. This 2 becomes 1. This 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 6, again 8. Okay. This as it is. The answer is 18,888. 18,888. 20,000 minus 865. Write on the table. Borrow, monument, supplement, difference, write down the places column. 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, units. Next, write down monument. 20,000. 20,000. Here 8 is in the 1,000 place. Write down 8 in the 1,000 place. Supplement 8,000 minus 8,625. 8,625. Here in units, tens, hundreds, thousand place, all are 0 here. So we have to take from borrow from the 10,000 place. You know that this number becomes 10. Again we have to take here borrow. This becomes 10, but this becomes 9. Again we take borrow to the next to 10th place. This 10 here, this 10 becomes 9. Again we take to 10th place. This number becomes 10. This in the 10th place, the number becomes 9. This one is 10. Whereas this 2 becomes 1. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 8, 1. Here 1. Answer is 11,375.